Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Stefan, and if you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button if you find any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe to us on this channel. We do a lot of this like this every single day or on a daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any. And let's just keep it as simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible as always. So, as you can see right here, we have 1 inch with a Tether token. 1 inch right now is sitting at a price of right around 3.40 US dollars. Today we are up 2.5 cents or approximately 0.60, maybe 0.70% up. So not even 8%. But I think how this looks like for me, you can see on the lower time frame, you can see that we're having a continuously like bearish candles, which can close somewhere around here, I guess, at 3.30. Let me just draw a line right there. Yeah, I think that we will be closing somewhere around there. This is how it looks like on the higher time frames. You can see that we touched that level, but like it is what it is. And now on the lower time frames, let me just, I think that we can even go even further than this and do it like that. We will see what will be happening with that, but I think that today, maybe at the end of the day, when today closed, we will see tomorrow that we are going to be having a bearish day, because you can see the big wick of this candle. So the bears or the sellers are into the market. The bulls were here, but they're not that strong enough. And yesterday we had a huge like bullish candle for 1 inch, like 8.20 cents. So yeah, guys, this is basically it. You can see where this arrow points at the like 450 level, 444, 445. So yeah, this is basically for today's update. We will see what will be happening tomorrow, and make sure to subscribe so you come here tomorrow at the same time. And yeah, peace out, guys, and I will see you in the future. And if you want to support my channel, smash the like button. It helps me out a lot. And also, if you want to earn some free stuff, go in the link in the description down below, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.